So guys, we have arrived in Orlando, Kissimmee. We're at our Airbnb. Guys, this house is so nice. Let me give you a room tour. First, when you walk in, here is the door. Then let's show you. You have the living room right there, and you have the kitchen. Here we have a table set. The kitchen, you already know everything that belongs in the kitchen. We even have a dishwasher. We have the fridge. We need to do some grocery shopping. Right here you have a, I think it's a storage room, yes, a pantry, I think. This door leads to the garage. Very nice. The washer and dryer. Guys, I feel like a YouTuber filming a new home. This is so nice. It's so pretty, guys. Let's get into it. Here we have a dining table. Say hi, brother.
Hi.
Here we have the living room. We have a nice spacious sofa. We have a nice big sofa, and here we have a TV. Here we have the master bedroom. Let me knock cause my sissy is busy. Mama babies. Here we have the master bedroom. Very nice. Nice. And they have their own bathroom. So here is my brother and my sister-in-law room. So yes, I'm not gonna show you the bathroom because she's in there. And let's go into the hall. Here we have the hall. Here we have a storage, another storage room, storage space. Here we have the bathroom, but my brother's in there taking a big dump. Guys, this room has no light, but this is where my brother is going to sleep. It's actually a kid's room. What he's going to do is he's going to bring this bed over there so it can be one full bed. Isn't it so cute? Mickey Mouse. In the room you have a closet, a nice spacious closet. Guys, I had to fight with him to give me the other room, guys, because the other room is very good looking, because I need that for myself to show you guys, to make content, you guys, because I'm making a lot of content. This is a TV. Y'all know what a TV looks like. And here is my room, and the color, guys, the color is so nice. Ooh, check it out, the bed is big enough. We have a side table. Look at that, amazing. Then we have the closet. My suitcases are there. We have a TV. This is so nice, guys. This is so nice. Let me put on my babies on. My Crockies. This is the room where I'm going to sleep. So guys, I had to fight with my brother to get this room because I didn't want to sleep in the Mickey Mouse room, but I wanted this room to make content for you guys. So he finally gave up and gave me the room. So we're going to make so much content. Lord, help me to make the content for these beautiful people. So one last thing, and the cherry on top of the cake that this house has. Ba-da-ba-boom. Let me show you guys. So guys. This house has a pool. Oh my god, we're going to swim like crazy. Isn't it so nice? Let's get back inside. We're not going to swim for tonight, but maybe tomorrow when it's hot. So guys, that was it for the house tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. So I'm going to end the video right here. I'm so happy. The content I'm going to make is going to be bomb.degree calm. So guys, see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think the next video will be we're going to brush off, wash off, and then go some I think we're going to Walmart to go grocery shopping. So maybe the next vlog will begin there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.